Are you missing a platform where crypto enthusiasts and play-to-earn gamers can easily interact? A platform only and only for crypto people, where users can share their crypto experience, gamify idea, and everything that Web3 culture has to offer. If yes, then stop looking further, because Metacade is the ultimate solution and hub for the crypto community. In this video, I will explain what exactly Metacade is, how it works, and what features they offers. I will share complete details of this project, and if you stick until the end of the video, you will realize why this project is set to be the next big thing in crypto and NFT space. But before the start of the video, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and press bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So without any delay, let's get into it. Today's platform named Metacade. Metacade is the ultimate Web3 community hub, where gamers and crypto fanatics can communicate and collaborate. The vision of Metacade is to create a fun and dynamic virtual hangout for like-minded people to enjoy all things GameFi and experience everything that Web3 culture has to offer. Users will be able to play their favorite games with established play-to-earn projects and increase their chances of winning big prizes. But Metacade is much more than just a place to play. In the Metacade platform, users will be able to meet fellow gamers, developers, and entrepreneurs who want to share their interests, ideas, skills, and talents with one common goal. You will be able to see what games are trending, view leaderboards, publish reviews, gain access to the most advanced GameFi alpha, and interact with other members in real time. All whilst being rewarded with the native MK token for your own input into the community. Now let's discuss their Metacade token. Metacade is the main governance token and the central unit of account and value transfer between the various stakeholders within the Metacade ecosystem. Metacade can be used for prize draws, entering exclusive Metacade gaming tournaments, paying on the platform. Metacade holders will also be able to vote on which developer-submitted games will receive funding via Metagrant scheme. Metacade is currently in pre-sale, in Stage 2 with a price of 0.012 USD. The hard cap is almost completed. Make sure to confirm your allocation before completion. Metacade business model. The total supply of Metacade tokens is 2 billion. 70% pre-sale allocation, and these will be released in 9 stages. 12.50% for marketing and centralized exchange listing. 10% for development. 5% will be used for liquidity provisions for the purpose of decentralized exchange listings. 2.50% for competition pool. That's the short intro of this platform. I hope you have an idea about the Metacade platform. Their website and social media links are also available in the description. For more latest videos related to cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.